It is my pleasure to introduce the senior project for ZuiDesigns, the hardware-in-the-loop testing device. The team consists of Andres Mora, Ryan Van Oss, Ryan Hilbert, Ben Berger, and McKenna Dillevin. The team is sponsored by ZuiDesigns with 3 faculty advisors, Professors Pecora, Zeidema, and Dunn. You may be asking yourself, what is hardware-in-the-loop testing? Hardware-in-the-loop testing refers to the process of simulating real-world events using electrical signals. These signals are given to a device under test in order to make sure that its software is working as intended. Hardware-in-the-loop testing is often used to test embedded systems. Embedded systems are self-contained electrical devices that serve a useful purpose. This includes things like the air conditioning in a car, the auto-dim feature on a cell phone, or the heart rate monitor on an Apple Watch. A hardware-in-the-loop tester could be used to simulate a heart rate, making sure that the watch displays the correct number. In today's industry, hardware-in-the-loop testing is done mainly on a case-by-case basis. Each tester is custom-made to test a specific embedded system, which works great, but the testing devices are expensive and can only test a specific type of embedded system. The purpose of this project is to provide a low-cost alternative to existing hardware-in-the-loop technologies. The project will consist of several microcontrollers and peripheral circuits that can be configured to test a wide variety of embedded systems. This includes digital signals and various communication protocols listed in the table on the right. A Raspberry Pi 4 will act as the brain of the tester and will incorporate the peripherals as seen in the block diagram to the right. The physical device will sit on a desk and includes D sub-connectors so that a device under test can be interfaced. This concludes the project summary. Thank you and have a nice day.